Hello YouTube, Gold Silver Strength here, and this is a market recap for August 10th, 2020, and we'll be going over the three major US indices, Russell 2000, Bitcoin, Gold, and Silver. The indicator we'll be using with our price action analysis is the moving average cross of the 9-day moving average and the 26-day moving average. So going over the DXY, a little bit of the same story as of the end of last week. It's channeling in between 94 and these bottom tails right here. Let's see what these numbers are. Yep, 92.5. So it looks like it wants to test the levels here at 94, but until then, it continued to expect the DXY to chop sideways. The Dow put on some massive gain, breaking its local highs of 27,600. So now it wants to go over and break its February highs at 29,000. And these candles are about average. They're not too small, but not too large. So it's slowly working its way up, slowly grinding. And we can expect more of the same. It's extended above the 90 moving average. The bullish momentum is very good for the Dow, and we can expect more of the same. Nasdaq put on some losses today, half a percent. It briefly touched the 9-day moving average, but finished close to where it opened earlier this morning. So what does this mean for us here? With any doji, it signals that the Nasdaq wants to chop sideways and that bullish momentum is weakening. Looking at past price action, we can see one small doji here where it chopped sideways a little bit and then went on a massive bull run. Right here, there was another doji, chopped sideways, but continued to grind up until there was another major spike. This doji just continued to grind up. So we can definitely expect more sideways grinding, but also don't count out the Nasdaq touching the 26-day moving average and then bouncing up again. Another opportunity to be made, and lots of future gains to be had. S&P 500 finished with some gains today. It still is slowly grinding up towards its February highs of 33.95. So until then, we can continue to expect more bullish momentum from the S&P 500. It's slowly grinding up. Russell 2000 is also grinding towards its February highs of 2404. Bullish momentum is not slowing. It's greatly extended above the 90 moving average, and we can continue to expect some of the same. Something interesting to note here for the Russell, you notice a pattern right at 1, 2, 3, 4, and then followed by a retracement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles by a retracement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have a retracement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then a retracement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just based off the daily pattern price action recognition, we can see that this is a potential point in time where the Russell might want to trade lower for tomorrow and maybe even potentially the rest of the week. Even though bullish momentum is very strong, this is the time pattern that we are also analyzing here for the Russell. So you have to be on the lookout for that and keep your possibilities open. Bitcoin briefly touched 12,000 as it tried to break over the new highs, but it ended up coming back into the range. So it still needs to break the 12,000 mark in order for Bitcoin to truly be on another bull run going up. 9-day moving average is consolidating around 11,500. So that's another support level for Bitcoin. So we can still see Bitcoin chopping around the range it was following last week. And until it wants to test 12,000 and continue to break above that, expect more sideways trading. Gold traded sideways today. It still finished above 2000, but it's engulfed in its candles over the weekend. Still bullish, but its strength is weakening a little bit. But you can also see many times in the gold futures after a bull run above a stubborn high, it chopped sideways a little bit and then it made another bull run. After crushing its local highs at 1800 actually, and even here at 1820, now it might want to consolidate a little bit before making another big run. And one signal it has consolidated enough is when the 9-day and 26-day moving average is getting in between the candles. So the 9-day moving average is just about there, so we can still expect a few weeks actually of retracement if gold wants to continue to chop sideways. But bullish momentum is still positive, it's just slow. Silver wants to test the 30s highs, and it is doing so. At the time of this video, its current price is above the price it closed over the weekend. So there is still a lot of strong bullish momentum. But again, with regards to this commodity, silver is much more volatile compared to gold, and we can expect more drastic price swings up or down depending on how silver wants to behave. So right now it still has some bullish momentum, but not as strong. So overall, everything put on some slight gains except the Nasdaq. It made future highs continuously last week, but now it's giving some gains back. Is this a time for you to invest and start trading some of your Nasdaq stocks and options? If you looked at the 26-day moving average, if you look at certain support levels, the Nasdaq might be an opportunity that is slowly becoming available for many people, and you should keep your eyes open for when these chances come and take advantage of them. So that'll be it for this market recap, and thank you for listening. Are you tired of losing in trading and investing? Check out my videos where I do a bare bones analysis on just the price action. No fancy indicators, no gimmicks, just trend analysis and winning here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.